Hello, what is up guys, Ryan Santiago here, and I'm back again with another reaction video. And this time I'm going to be reacting to a Cars YouTube poop. This one is called real nice. Lightning McQueer and the Quest for Tires. What a nice title. Anyway, this was uploaded by Emperor Lemon. He makes one of the best YouTube poops. So yeah. Anyway, guys, enjoy the video, and let's get this show on the road. 3, 2, 1, let's go. What's wrong with the screen?
Give me the wallet.
What? Real? Yeah. Thanks for. Oh, what?
Fuck you, Whiskey.
Why? What? What's wrong with you? Okay, we get it. Oh, what? Sanic?
Focus. 5-hour energy is
what?
Focus. Speed. Weed. I smoke weed.
Oh,
Breakfast.
right. I bet you do, Lightning McQueen.
Would you shut up? Try to masturbate up here.
What? No. YouTube. Yep. Let's get this over with. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, indeed. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Oh my god. What's wrong with the Walmart? Oh. Rest in peace, orange car. Oh. Oh my god. What? Jenga? Star Wars? Okay. With the Mario theme? What? LeBron James? Oh, Shaq. Shaq! What are you... Oh, gross. Oh, what? Oh, what? Oh, he's like a rocket? What the heck? What? Oh, yeah, I get it. He needs tires. Okay, let's see if we can finish. Oh, wait, Koopa Shell? Oh, someone's angry. Uh-oh, Blue Shell. Watch out, McQueen. Oh.
Horse's ass.
Oh, no. Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh my. Whoa. Oh my god. Really? Oh, what? Charlie Brown? Wait, what? Whoa. What? Oh, what? Yeah. It is indeed. What? Oh, what? John Man football? What the? Ah! Oh, too close. Oh, Mr. Bison? Whoa! Billy Mays again? Jake. Really? Oh, really? No! What? No, I don't want to look at it. Okay. Oh, what? Oh, what? Okay. Oh, what? What? Okay.
Fuck you. I hate rusty cars.
What? Well, that was rude. McQueen. Peter.
Oh, God. Oh, boy. I am not gonna hear the end of this. You jackass! You've done it, idiots!
Jeez. What's wrong with Mac? What's wrong, Mac? What's wrong, Mac? Oh. What, heavy? What? Look at my little chair warden. Oh my god, I've heard of him.
That looks like a dildo.
No, it doesn't.
We got ourselves a contender. Gay niggas.
Real nice. What? Window.
I'm not mad.
What the? Oh, I better brace yourself. That's gonna get pretty demonic. Uh-oh. Oh, what? GTA?
I'm pissed.
Oh, what? Bump? Oh. Yeah, wasted.
The 3 victims were part of a CXS.
Fuck her right in the pussy.
Oh. Thanks a lot, Fred. Thanks a lot, Fred. What? McQueen's right there.
I want him out of our town.
Yeah, it is racist. Ew. Oh my god, no! Nasty. Ew.
What are you gonna do, sucker?
Oh, the air conditioner from the Brave little toaster. What?
Holy shit!
It looks awful.
Now it matches the rest of the town.
Lightning McQueen is dominating Radiator Springs.
Enough hard, you'll find right. Left. Turn right to go right. No shit.
That's not right. He went backwards. Oh, whoa, what?
Is it world? What an idiot.
Oh, yeah, he is an idiot.
Right left.
Yes, no.
What? Looney Tunes? I think that's the coyote.
Luigi's
Oh, Luigi?
a tower of tires. There's one they fear.
What? Oh. What the? How many are there? Oh! Mario? Whoa. Really? How's that go? Oh, I think he did a number on that. What? What? Oh, no. No. Yeah, it is. What? No, he didn't. What? Oh, no. Oh! Oh my god. No. Lightning McQueer Queen will win. I should say. He'll win. Lightning McQueen. What?
This whole class is gonna
Mission
feel
Seek and Destroy? Oh! That was... The end. Thank you for watching this video. In memoriam. Abducted to Disney's Tragic Kingdom, never forget. I'm pretty sure I won't. Well, guys, that was Lightning McQueer and the Quest for Tires. Jeez. One of my favorite childhood movies. Ruined. Well, not really. So, yeah. Oh my god, I got an itch. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to, as usual, don't forget to leave a like if you guys want to. And if you guys want to, don't forget to comment down below on what reaction video you guys want me to react to next. And as I usually say, guys, if you guys want to, don't forget to subscribe for more of me. But, yeah. That's all I have to say. I'm a bit tired today, to say the rest, but whatever. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you guys in my next reaction video. Bye.